Monday morning, 2/13/23. Astro Excel chart. Notice the position of the green line. Notice the zero line is in solid red line. The plus or minus 10 are in a pink dash dot line. And the plus and minus 20 are in the orange dot dot dash line. The green line is starting to track upwards. It's going to be up throughout the day on the 13th. Into the evening, once we cross midnight into the 14th, we're getting this down move. It's going to last until both lines bottom out 9:30 tomorrow morning. Then we have bullish pressure up until 1800. Then we roll back down a tad. Bottom out 2 a.m. on the 15th. Upward move to about 9:46 on the 15th, Wednesday. Both lines peak out. Green line tracking back down. Bottoms out on the 16th here. About 4 a.m. back up through the evening on Thursday, and then slight downturn and mostly neutral through Friday about the -5 area. So the pressure is below the -10 line for most of the week until Thursday. So the overall pressure is negative, but we're in a bullish period inside of that negative pressure right now. So the important blue line spikes are going to be tomorrow 5:30, 5:40, and then 9:24 a.m. And then we kind of just go sidewinding between the 10 lines after that. We get a breakout below here late on the 14th at about 21:50 in the evening. On the 15th, then at 14:32 in the afternoon, we have that spike low. Then we're kind of sidewinding. We hit the -10 line here on Thursday, 9:42 a.m. And then we peak up and hit the +10 line at 18:50 on the 16th. And then nothing outside the 10s on Friday.